In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner, and tap on all of your photos that you wish to add. If you can't find them here, select Folders, look for them over here, and tap on the chosen one to add it. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!